How to view different years on Google Map. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google Maps. After that, simply select a location where you want to see the old view of. Pin a location and then after what you will have to do is you will see an option of these images. Now tap on the image. After that, what you will have to do is you will see an option and there with a three dot, what you will have to do is simply go to more and then see if there are old pictures added. So yeah, that's it. From here, go back in time, you will be able to see it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.